Alright, so for today I want you to work on this lesson. I believe this lesson is going to help you and enhance your playing. Okay, so I will play in the key of D. So the first licks I want you to play there is so what am I playing there? I'm playing, this is the do, re, mi. So you play from your mi, re, or you can say do, re, mi, fa. So you play the mi, re and the va, re, fa. Then you slide down to your mi, the same, you hold it the same pattern. Understand? So when you play, do, re, and tan, 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 dum, 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 dum. Dun, 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 dun. So that is the first one. So the second one I want you to know is your second lick there. You start knowing is play something like this. So la, re, do. Then you slide it from your so la. And the second one is re, so, re, so, re, so, re, so, mi, la, mi. Okay, so that is the first lick. The first one is so work on that. Okay, keep working and practice more. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification button so you don't miss out any of my video. Okay, give a comment down below if you like the video. Thanks for watching.